Hello everybody, I'm Elizaveta from Fethe. Video for beginners to sew. Now I will tell you about how I quickly and easily sew such Christmas pot holders. The material can be any, but preferably natural. If you want the same as mine, then watch the video until the end. So I cut the piece. On the material I outline the dimensions of the finished pot holders. My pot holders are 20 by 20 centimeters. Then I outline the seam allowance 1 centimeter. I cut all the excess. A loop about 14 centimeters is required. I burn the ends. I attach a loop in the corners in advance. I place additional fabric on the front of the workpiece. I sew almost around the perimeter, leave a hole to unscrew the pothole. I check the loop. Everything is fine. I cut off the excess from the corner. Attention, don't cut too much. I don't touch the seam allowance of the loop. I wrap the gasket. At the corners, I cut obliquely. I sew back. I sew other corners as well. I cut the extra felt to size. I add the rest of the felt to the center. I sew additional insulation around the perimeter. Everything inside is right. I turn around the pot holders. I take threads in the color of product. I sew the open these small secret stitches. I repeat 4 times. The pot holders are ready. You can buy this set of pot holders and sew them yourself. And also you can order a ready-made set of pot holders. I will sew them especially for you. Buy from my store. A link in description. Subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. I love everyone. Bye bye. Winter has come and the rain season has begun. In addition, the oranges are ripe. See how wet they are. Let's pick one and eat it.